我们现在进入陆家嘴站，坐到14号线，可以直接坐到豫园。现在我们就步入了售票处、进站处，先去买票呗。售票。
So a perfect day trip in Shanghai is the Yuyuan Garden experience. So for our senior travelers looking for a memorable leisurely day in Shanghai, so the Yuyuan Gardens and the surrounding Old Town offer a pretty captivating blend of history, culture, and comfortable sightseeing.
Okay.
So the morning and afternoons in the garden in Old Town, you can start pretty much at your leisure. You don't have to go there early. The ancient charm and the modern comfort, while most it's touristy, that the area is incredibly maintained, and it's a pretty vibrant atmosphere, so it makes it a must see. The popular appeal ensures that the shops, walks, and restaurants are well maintained, which is a great benefit for a relaxing day trip. It's a shopper's delight. The Old Town is a fantastic spot for browsing and relaxing. Find countless tea houses, coffee shop, traditional restaurants, and
The
souvenir
watch button
shops,
keeps coming
perfect for
undone.
picking up gifts or simply enjoying a snack
You
and
need
a
to.
quiet cup of coffee. So you make it a leisurely stroll. And after exploring the market area, you go off to the Yuyuan Garden
So if you
itself.
see a place where you can get a safety pin, we'll get
And
one.
this classical Chinese garden, it's a peaceful oasis designed in the distinctive Suzhou style. Just absolutely beautiful. Take your time enjoying the elegant rockeries, serene ponds and historical pavilions. The history and architectural style of these gardens are
American
fascinating.
girls,
So be sure to take photos and perhaps
how you
read up
doing?
on the intricate design principles. So in the evening, the city kind of comes alive. When you're in the
Oh
ancient
yeah,
town,
the
there's a light
white
show.
rabbit
So
candy.
before leaving the Yuan Garden area, make sure you catch the evening light show in the center of the old town.
That stuff is
It's
pretty good,
announced
gotta
publicly,
admit.
and this pleasant little show is a lovely, low key way to end your time in the traditional area. Then make your way to the East Nanjing Road for dinner and then walk towards the Bund. It is arguably the most
I
captivating
forgot the name.
experience Shanghai
No, I'll
offers.
remember it when
So
I
it's
see
an
it.
unforgettable sight.
Oh my God, this
It's where
place
the
is so
historical
commercial.
colonial architecture on one side faces the spectacular,
That's half the
modern
best. That's what
skyline
makes it
of
kind of
the
exciting, is
Pudong
when it's a big
on the
tourist
other.
trap, because it's
It's
kind of
uh, it's,
cool.
it's a breathtaking contrast between old and new. So to get to the Nanjing Road from the gardens, I just highly recommend you take a short, pleasant walk rather than navigating the Metro, for one stop. The walk is easy, allows you to enjoy the street level activity, and I highly recommend it. So when you're strolling towards the East Nanjing Road, you'll pass some local salons and massage parlors. You can get a haircut and foot massage, and they're incredibly inexpensive and high quality. Take an hour to get a massage is a fantastic way to recharge and feel like royalty after a long day of sightseeing. You'll be surprised how great it is. So, for maximum comfort, consider going in the off season, such as late October or November. Weather's cool, crowds are lighter, and much lighter than during the national holidays, and you can enjoy the day without rushing. Pace the day. it's a 9 to 10 hour itinerary, and you should not feel exhausted. So take it easy, enjoy the views and frequent stops. And you'll see lots of locals and tourists dressed up in traditional attire, providing endless opportunities for stunning photos and videos. So just just take it nice and easy. It's the third day. It'll get you. By the end of that third day, you should be a real expert at using the Alipay, the WeChat,
Oh,
and
that smells. Woo.
you should also, you'll be an expert at using Didi or whatever. So
YouTubing it.
you'll be ready to go on longer trips from the city and enjoy these other ancient towns and gardens that got a little bit further away from the Bund area of Shanghai.
looks good. Wonton soup's always good.